guys, welcome back. Just thought I'd give you all an update because as you may have remembered, my Golf was due to go for its MOT last Wednesday. And as you can see by the state of things, it's not gone quite to plan. Yeah, there's no wheel on it and it's stuck like this at the moment. There will be a full video about the MOT and what's gone on with it coming out hopefully next Friday. So sorry for the lack of updates. I know a few of you commented, wished me good luck and said, sure you'll smash it. Well, just for clarity, it didn't actually get to have its MOT. So yeah, that was the third time now it's been postponed, but we'll get there with it. Stick with me, stick around, and there'll be a full video on what's been going on very soon. Like I said, just a short update. Thanks for watching, thanks for all your support. Bye bye.